Hi everyone, Matt Watson here from CarWow. I'm sat in the Mercedes AMG A45 S and next to me is a Jaguar Project 8 and we're going to have a drag race. May seem a bit odd, but we have the cars here and it could be closer than you think. You see this Mercedes, it has a 2-litre turbocharged engine with 421 horsepower, 500 newton meters of torque, an 8-speed automatic gearbox, all-wheel drive, launch control, and it goes like shit off a shovel. That Jaguar, it has a 5-litre supercharged V8 with 600 horsepower and 700 newton meters of torque. It has an 8-speed automatic gearbox, 4-wheel drive, but no launch control. It still does go like shit off a shovel. In terms of weight, the Jaguar comes in at 1,672 kilos. This Mercedes isn't much lighter. It's 1,630 kilos. It's a load cheaper though. £56,000 for this. That Jaguar, it's £180,000, but then it is really tricked up with special suspension. It's got a roll cage in it, it's got carbon ceramic brakes, and it's super rare. It's one of only 300 cars ever made. So what's going to happen? Well, we're going to find out in a moment, but before we do, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on so you're alerted when we make a new upload. That way you won't miss a single video. Also, why don't you follow me on Instagram at Matt Watson Cars. Let's get on with the race. Oh, before we do though, let's do the obligatory sound check. I'm gonna rev my engine. Got it in the sporty setting. Let's have a listen to this car. Oh, no soft limiter. Can rev it all the way up. Go on, rev the Jag. I'm not going to bother to get you to let me know which you thought sounded the best in the comments. It definitely wasn't this Mercedes.
How may I help you?
Oh no, I forgot about Mercedes voice commands, which just chime in whenever you say Mercedes. It's really annoying when you're trying to do pieces to camera. It's a bit like me triggering your iPhone with Siri or your Android phone by going, "Hey Google." That's probably annoyed quite a few of you watching right now. Anyway, sorry about that. Let's get on with the video.
Yeah.
I triggered my Android phone. Yeah, go away Google. Thank you.
Buying a new car? Then head to CarWow and my team will help you find your next car at a fair price. CarWow, your one-stop car buying comparison site.
If I'm going to stand any chance at this, I need to get my launch down exact, which means I have to preempt when the starter's going to lower her hands, because there's a slight delay between lifting off the brake and the car actually dumping the clutch and it launching. So it's all going to be in the timing if I'm going to stand any chance. Might even have to involve a bit of cheating.
3, 2, 1.
I was on the money without cheating. Come on, little Mercedes. Oh no. Oh, it was close for so long. A 5-litre V8 just about managed to beat a 2-litre 4-cylinder. I think that's an advert for Mercedes, isn't it?
What can I do for you?
Go away. At least it understands that as well.
So then, what exactly happened? Well, the Jaguar crossed the line first, completing the standing quarter mile in 11.8 seconds. And despite an excellent start for the Mercedes, it just couldn't stay with the Jaguar in the end, and it came second with a quarter mile time of 12.1 seconds. To tell you the truth, the Mercedes was lucky not to get beaten by even more. I've previously recorded a time of 11.3 seconds with a Project 8 when I raced it against a Mercedes AMG A45 S. But this time, the Jaguar was struggling for grip in its first 2 gears, which is why the A45 S was able to keep level with it for the first 50 metres.
Now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour with the cars in their comfiest settings, just chilling out, relaxing, automatic mode for the gearbox. I'm going to count it in. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh dear. I'm never going to catch him. This thing is quick, but it's limited to 155. That thing will do 200. Clear win for the Jaguar. That gearbox kicked down faster than this one as well. And this is a dual clutch. It's great. that 8-speed in that car. Let's take the gearbox out of it and look at the responsiveness of the engine with the next test. Same thing again, this time with the cars in their sportiest setting and manual mode for the gearbox. 3, 2, 1, go! I don't know why I did that, but it helped. Come on, change gear, that didn't help! The sound of that when it shifts up. It's like going like that to me, like. Still, 180 grand, 56, all right? So, to that. Final test, brake test from 70 miles an hour. When we reach the line, full emergency stop. No idea what's going to happen here. The cars will stop. Will his carbon ceramics help him out? Let's find out. It's quite interesting that. I think he started off better than me in terms of the braking, and then I seemed to stop a bit quicker, then he started to stop a bit quicker than me. The end result is what you see here. And it's the fact that I've lost, again, been thoroughly thrashed today. Oh well, can't win them all. Still, lovely little car. And that's epic as well, isn't it? Now, I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, let me know about other drag races you'd like to see in the comments below. Anyway, it's enough of that. And as ever, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on. That way you will not miss a single video. It's enough of that. Thanks for watching.